the London Lan approaches like a freight train, the low IQ streamers are starting to turn on each other.
Kills our team and our vibe. What a stain, man. What a stain. And he loves it too, man. He loves it because this is the only time he can get viewers.
Yeah, that's sad. It goes to show you,
the only time he can get viewers, and then he's like, ooh, so if I cause drama within my team, I can get viewers, so let me do that more often. And that's exactly what he's doing, bro. Instead of just building wholesome relationships with other streamers and content creators and growing that way and having good friendships and relationships, why is any of this happening, bro? Like, literally, it's and for people thinking I'm just like over exaggerating or thinking I shouldn't be taking it this seriously, bro. I've got $1 million tournament to play. On top of that, it's just a lot of stress. It's just unnecessary. Like, it's unnecessary, and I'm not the one causing it, bro. It's like, I might have caused it in the past when I wasn't grinding as much and the boys were just play the tour a little more so he could actually get reps and stuff. And now I'm doing that, and it's like he just doesn't want to hone up to his own issues. Like, I'm doing that now. I'm starting to put time, and I actually enjoy the game when ranked is out. I've played more time now since rank came out I've probably played 2 times more since rank came out than the game even dropped. Like, the first 6 months in the game, I played a couple hours of or like maybe 5, 6, 7 hours, 8 hours a week of this game because I hated it. And it's like, it is what it is.
We've been trying, bro. We've literally been trying to get better, bro, and get reps in.
Now I'm trying to get reps in and try to get better, and I'll up to the fact
but
that
it literally said he doesn't want to grind with us because I'm a higher rank than him. Once I heard that, it not only shows that he's completely delusional, it's just...
I would have given the baby his rank if he wants it so bad.
Yeah, I don't give a about the rank, like...
Still, just play with us. Pass us, bro. I don't give a like...
Wait,
you can pass D if you'd like, bro.
He thinks if he gets... I told you, he thinks if he...
The stream babies cried for a full 3.5 hours. I am not joking.
You go through the gutter of streaming, bro. You put the time in. You don't fucking just get number 1 on Warzone and then wake up tomorrow and 5,000 people want to watch you. Like, who cares? No one gives a fuck, buddy. The season's done in 30 days.
Yeah.
Like, it's sad. He doesn't want to grind for World Series because I'm a higher rank than him. Like, it's some of the saddest shit I've ever seen.
He's just bringing family and shit into it, too. He's saying that, like...
It's sad as
dumb shit, bro.
He just says silly stuff.
I've already been over, like... I've already told you this.
Zlaner's team is in shambles. There is only one thing now that can sort this mess out.
I had this idea for a show. Different women. Different points of view. Maybe a little too different. We call it The View.
And here is your host, Repulse.
Let's get into what everybody in the chat, everybody here is waiting for.
Normally, it's a very relaxed atmosphere on The View. However, in this episode, 3 new streamer babies join them in the studio.
Like, why would you do that?
No, I'm gonna accept it. I'm gonna be a bigger person. I'm gonna accept your apology, but I'm not with you because you said that. Your true colors were shown. You doubled down on it, buddy. You doubled down on it.
Said all this
double down on it.
True colors shown, but you've been going
talk shit all the time. I talk shit all the time. I'm real. I'm real.
He said, yeah, you're real. You're real piece to your homies.
Ow, what did I say about you? What did I say about you, D? Tell me, D.
Go, bro.
All
Types of shit. Writing. You say all types of... I'm not writing. I don't care.
Tell me then. Tell me.
I agreed with you. You say all types. Squad's not winning. We're terrible. We're not placing well. Hear me out on this. Hear me out on this. This is just one of the things you did. We qualified.
You think our team is good?
Huh? I think we're a great team and we have capability of winning World Series. I do. But hear me out on this. I just want to tell the people the type of person you are. We were in the last game of our World Series. We were playing well. We qualified for the tournament. Me and Z stayed in the call chilling. Belk leaves the call before they announced the leaderboard.
Buddy.
Shut up. I'm talking. They announced the leaderboard and he's not even there. He wants no celebrate. He wants to celebrate.
Celebrate 12th place and qualify for London.
Worse than that. Worse than that. After that tournament took place, this dude stays live and does nothing. I don't know if
VOD's still
VOD review, baby. VOD review.
Does nothing but bashed us. And this
don't lie. I went through my mistakes. Don't lie. I went through my mistakes.
Ever since I met this guy.
Yo, this is the last thing I'm gonna say. Listen, my boy. Listen. I hope you get the views you want right now, my boy. Smack that 3-minute ad. Smack him. Farm him, my boy. Farm him, bro. Farm him. Hit that button every 8 minutes. Get the juicer. Because listen, after this, I don't really care to play with you, bro. You can go do your thing. If you think number 1 is the way to do it, do it. Go ahead. Smack the ads while you have them, my boy. But once people see how you really act, bro, it's not cool to treat your homies like that. We always try to put our heads out.
Yeah, it just sucks to see you be mad fake, bro. It's just weird.
You finish your tournament. You finish.
It just sucks, bro. It just sucks, bro. It just sucks to see.
It's not being fake. But it's just
sucks to see.
It's just bad that you can't accept when you're wrong to me.
In other news, Call of Duty have been sending the Warzone streamers lots of goodies. They even received a cell phone, just to receive a text message. informing them that slide canceling is coming back to Warzone. What a complete waste of money. And they try to tell us, this game is not made for streamers.
For those just joining in, we got a Call of Duty package. We had to piece together these different parts of the phone. We got a note that says, I was barely able to get this out of the prison. No time to explain. Use these items to prepare for what's to come. Now I'm getting text messages on this burner phone. It said, don't call this number. Unknown caller only on it. And we got another message right now.
Got me some slides.
You got a big ass foot.
What?
Something's in it.
Andy?
Yeah, did I get a package? Come on, Call of Duty.
What was this? Little blanket, John?
I think it was just to ship it in. To protect everything. Hey, what's in it? Oh, it's got a cut in it.
There's a cut in the shoe? What is that?
Nah, no shot. What? It was like Easter egg? What?
What is it?
Is it a battery? Oh, it's
Nah.
a chip? What? It's a battery.
It's a battery.
It's a camera battery.
What's in
Shoe?
They sent you a whole ass Easter egg, dog.
It's a bar of soap?
Are they bringing back slide canceling?
It's coming back, bro.
I swear.
Chris, I mean, if this is not what they're hinting at, the community's gonna be. Listen, you got
I don't think
slides.
this has to do with slide canceling.
Chris, they gave you slides, a can, and a cell phone, and then they said in the text message that you're gonna be able to move around Mazra faster. That's what it said in the text that you got.
Ah.
You read that out loud.
You'll be expected to move more quickly in Al-Mazrah.
Yep.
What a complete joke, and a slap right in the face to the core community. This game is made for streamers. Like these cheats are made for streamers. The problem is, when they get caught cheating, they all threaten to leave Warzone. You see, they crave attention.
Fuck, if it wasn't for World Series, bro, I'd literally be stroked. I would not even be playing Warzone at all. But we do have some tournaments here and there, and like I said, World Series, I'm like, I don't have to necessarily play 10 hours a day, but I do need to make sure I'm keeping up to date. Yeah, Warzone just sucks right now, man. I know y'all know that. Hopefully, the new Warzone will be better. I don't know, dude. Like, if I start off in the new Warzone, I might do something else. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna quit. Like, I don't think I'm gonna quit COD or anything. Like, I'll still play, but I don't know if I'll necessarily be like grinding Warzone 8 hours a day. I don't know, man. I really don't know. Stressful, bro. The game is just ass. I'm forcing myself to play it every day. Just, it's rough, man. I had a little bit of fun today, I will say. It was only fun because I was able to talk and hang out with you guys. If I had to play this game for like 2 hours off stream, I couldn't do it. No.
This one, when confronted, claims he doesn't even know what a hard drive is.
I don't even know what a hard drive is either. I don't know anything about PCs.
But you bought.
If you told me there's 2 hard drives plugged in my PC, I genuinely would not know what that even means.
Guardian is now ready. Today, I sent everything to Activision, including the full source code. It detects cheats, scripts, Cronus, DS4 exploits, and so much more. I really do hope they review my recommendations at detecting cheat software at the source before injecting. The letter was sent, and with that, are the hopes of everyone in the community. It's our last chance.
I hope this letter finds its way to you. Forgive me, love, the shame I put you through and all the tears. Hang on, love, to the memories of those happy years. Red lights are flashing around me. Yeah, love, it looks like they found me.
We have a bunch of low IQ streamers in custody with multiple rap pedals in the trunk.